Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to discuss the preparation of phenol. Students, we know the phenol. Phenol is the compound just like here. See here. This is a OH group attached with benzene ring. The phenol is prepared from chlorobenzene. See here. Phenol is prepared from chlorobenzene. Then aniline. Preparation of phenol is done from chlorobenzene, aniline, then benzene sulfonic acid. This is a benzene sulfonic acid molecule. And last, cumene. Cumene means isopropyl benzene. See here. From these four compounds we prepared the phenol. From these four compounds we prepared the phenol. This is a chlorobenzene molecule, aniline molecule, benzene sulfonic acid and cumene molecule. These four preparation we have to see. Students, see the first preparation from chlorobenzene. The name of this process is DOS process. Students, see here. This is a chlorobenzene molecule. This is a chlorobenzene molecule. Chlorine is attached to benzene ring. See here, and alternate double bonds are present. When this chlorobenzene is fused with NaOH, at 6 to 3 Kelvin and 100 atmospheric pressure, then sodium phenoxide ion is obtained. Student, see here, this is a sodium phenoxide ion. And when with the treatment of dilute HCl, we get phenol molecule. See here, this is the first method, preparation of phenol by DOS process, that is from chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene is fused with NaOH at high temperature 6 to 3 Kelvin and 150 atmospheric pressure. In first step, sodium phenoxide is obtained, and in second step, after the treatment with dilute HCl, it forms phenol. This is the first process. Second process is from cumene. Cumene is a compound like, students, see here. Here cumene means isopropyl benzene. This is a compound, isopropyl benzene. This is CH3 group, CH. See here the isopropyl group, and benzene ring is attached to that group. When this cumene, see here, when O2 molecule is added to the cumene in the presence of cobalt naphthalate, when O2 is added in the cumene in the presence of cobalt naphthalate at 4 to 3 Kelvin, then cumene hydroperoxide is obtained. Cumene hydroperoxide. See here. Here, this is a peroxide. This is peroxide. This is hydroperoxide. Cumene hydroperoxide is obtained. And after the treatment heating with dilute HCl, it forms phenol with acetone. Here, see here, acetone and phenol both are the valuable products. Hence, this is a very important process for the preparation of phenol. Third process is from benzene sulfonic acid. See here, this is a benzene sulfonic acid molecule. After treatment with NaOH, it forms sodium benzene sulfonate. See here, this is a molecule of sodium benzene sulfonate. At 5 to 3 Kelvin, in the presence of NaOH, it forms sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide is obtained in DOS process also, and after the treatment with dilute HCl, it forms phenol. In this way, from benzene sulfonic acid, we get phenol. In first process, we add NaOH and form sodium benzene sulfonate. Again, at 5 to 3 Kelvin, in the presence of NaOH, it forms sodium phenoxide, and after the treatment with dilute HCl, phenol is obtained. And fourth process is from aniline. Fourth process is from aniline. See here, NH2 group is attached to benzene ring. Then this is a aniline. When we treated this aniline with nitric acid, that is, see here, nitric acid means the mixture of NaNO2 plus HCl. Then it forms HNO2 plus NaCl. This HNO2 is added here. See here, HNO2 at 273 Kelvin. This reaction is done at 273 Kelvin. In first step, benzene diazonium chloride is obtained. See here, this is a benzene ring. Benzene. This di means 2 nitrogen, and this chlorine, hence benzene diazonium chloride is obtained. And after heating in the presence of water, it forms phenol molecule, and dinitrogen En2 is removed. In this way, this is a fourth process for the preparation of phenol by using aniline. In first step, aniline is treated with HNO2 in the presence of nitrating mixture at 273 Kelvin. Then benzene diazonium chloride is obtained, and after the benzene diazonium chloride, it gives phenol molecule. In this way, these are the process for the preparation of phenol. I hope you understand all the process. In next lecture, we see the physical properties of phenol. Thank you, students.